capitalism. It's a word that gets thrown around a lot. But what does it actually mean? In simple terms, capitalism is an economic system where businesses are owned privately. This means individuals, not the government, call the shots. They decide what to produce, how to produce it, and who to sell it to. Think of your local coffee shop. The owner decided to open it, chose the coffee beans, and set the prices. That's capitalism in action. It's about competition, risk-taking, and yes, making a profit. But it's also about freedom. The freedom to start a business, the freedom to choose your career, and the freedom to buy what you want. In a capitalist society, everyone has a role to play. Consumers drive demand, businesses respond to that demand, and the market, like an invisible hand, guides it all. It's not a perfect system, but it's the one that has lifted billions out of poverty and continues to shape our world. One of the most remarkable things about capitalism is its ability to drive innovation. When businesses compete, they're constantly looking for an edge. This leads to new products, better services, and more efficient ways of doing things. Think about the smartphone. It wasn't handed down from the government, it was the result of fierce competition between companies like Apple and Samsung, each trying to create the most desirable product. This constant striving for improvement is what makes capitalism so dynamic. It's a system that rewards creativity and ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From life-saving medicines to the internet, many of the things we take for granted today are the direct result of capitalist innovation. Critics of capitalism often argue that it only benefits the wealthy. But the truth is, capitalism has a proven track record of raising living standards for everyone. When businesses thrive, they create jobs, generate wealth, and contribute to a growing economy. This economic growth means more opportunities, higher incomes, and a better quality of life for people at all levels of society. Think about it. 100 years ago, things like cars, televisions, and international travel were luxuries few could afford. Today, thanks to the prosperity generated by capitalism, these things are commonplace for many. Capitalism creates a virtuous cycle. Innovation leads to growth, growth leads to prosperity, and prosperity creates even more opportunities for innovation. It's a system that, when it's working properly, benefits everyone. Section 4. The power of choice. One of the most fundamental freedoms capitalism offers is the freedom of choice. As consumers, we have the power to choose what we buy, where we shop, and what businesses we support. This freedom forces businesses to compete for our attention, offering us the best possible products at the most competitive prices. But the power of choice doesn't stop there. In a capitalist system, we also have the freedom to choose our own careers, start our own businesses, and pursue our own economic destinies. This freedom to succeed or fail based on our own merits is a cornerstone of the capitalist ideal. It's this freedom, this ability to chart our own course, that makes capitalism so empowering. It allows individuals to take control of their own lives and pursue their dreams, whatever they may be. Section 5. A brighter future. Capitalism, like any system, has its flaws, but its ability to foster innovation, drive economic growth, and empower individuals is undeniable. As we look to the future, it's clear that capitalism, with its emphasis on free markets and individual initiative, will continue to shape our world. This is not to say that capitalism is a magic bullet. It requires careful stewardship, a commitment to fairness, and a constant striving for improvement. But by harnessing its power and addressing its challenges, we can create a more prosperous and equitable future for all. Section 6. Capitalism's role in global progress. The evidence is clear. Countries that embrace free markets and open trade tend to be more prosperous and innovative. From the bustling cities of Asia to the tech hubs of Silicon Valley, capitalism has unleashed a wave of progress that has transformed the world. It has lifted billions out of poverty, empowered women, and connected people across borders like never before. While challenges remain, the story of capitalism is ultimately one of hope and progress. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the enduring belief that a better future is possible.